excerpt starts before rehearsal G. It's okay to put a little bit of a space in between the notes. And in terms of the pits, you're going to have to make a very, very quick change from arco to pit. So you're actually going to have to practice changing. And you're not going to have much time to use a large pit stroke like you would do for a lot of isolated pits notes. You've got to use your first finger, whether French or German, use your first finger, and just don't use too much arm, just use your finger to pluck it. And switching to that E, you've got to practice that. Don't drop any time getting to the arco E. Now you may have noticed some thumb position that are used in the lower registers, and really that's the only way I can see this being played. If you go to measure 165, 66, measure 168, this begins a dotted quarter eighth note figure that's going to require you to use the thumb in positions that might be lower than you're accustomed to. Similar to the first page, I'm suggesting that you use thumb on the B natural and thumb on the C sharp. I'll show you just right now. So I'll go through, talk through the fingering. Okay, that part should be familiar. And then put your thumb down on B natural on the D string. Then stretch your third finger out for the G sharp. Then fourth finger on the F sharp. Then thumb down for the C sharp. Then A natural. Then scooch back a half step for the G sharp. So that's a little bit of a fingering solution to what otherwise, I can't think of doing it any other way. You would have to shift quite a bit if you attempt to do it any other way. So I really suggest doing the fingering that I talked about. Might hurt yourself too, shifting that much. Letter O, it's very similar to the first page. Play your half notes long and play your quarter notes short. Now, where you have at measure 550, beginning at measure 550, these half notes with little marcato markings, yeah, you do have to do those short. But try to vibrate through those with your left hand so there's a little bit of resonance in addition to getting the articulation. In conclusion, I'll reiterate what I said at the beginning. It's a very exciting piece. It's a lot of fun to play. And that excitement needs to be conveyed to your audience. Ultimately, the emotions that you evoke, like excitement, will go a lot farther than the actual notes that you play. I mean, do play the notes correctly, but if you convey excitement, which is what this piece is all about, then you will do great. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time.